Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to design this um, celebrity website that you are seeing on my screen right now. Okay, so I'm going to quickly log in and show you guys the dashboard. Right, I'll click on sign in. Awesome guys, can you see that you have a very powerful dashboard and it's looking very fine, beautiful and sleek, right? So if you want to know how I was able to design this celebrity website within 30 minutes, watch to the end of this video. That is what I'll be teaching you guys in today's video, right? So let me quickly move over to my cpanel, but before then let's take a good look at the front end of the website. Can you see that it's looking very beautiful and well arranged and colorful as well? So if you need access to these scripts, these websites that I'm showing you right now on my screen, watch till the end of this video. I'm going to leave my number in the description below this video, okay? So you don't have to worry about contacting me, right? So but the first thing you need to do is pay attention and watch this video till the end. Okay guys, let me quickly move over to my cpanel. Can you see that? So this is my cpanel. I'm going to look for file manager. Once you open your cpanel, click on file manager here. It is going to take you here. Then you click on this public underscore html. As you can see, it is empty, right? So I'm going to upload my file here. I'll click on select file, then click on, then I'm going to search my file, right? So this is it. This is the zip file. Don't worry, like I said, I'm going to give you access to this. All you have to do is pay attention and watch this video till the end. Please, if you are joining us for the first time, please click on the subscribe button. If you have any question, leave it on the comment section. I'm going to reply to any questions that you might have for me, or if you encounter any problem while working with this file, right? So you need to be patient. You have to be patient for this blue bar here to turn green, right? Awesome guys, so we can now go ahead and close this tab. Please always make sure that this blue bar here turns green before you close the tab. If not, you're not going to get the same result with me, right? So I will now close this tab here. Then I'll come here and refresh. Can you see that my zip file is already inside my public underscore html? So I will right click on it and extract. Yes, I want it to be inside on public underscore html. So I'll click on extract files. Awesome. Can you see that? I now click on close. As you can see, the website also have an installation guide. Can you see the files? So this is all the files. I also leave an installation guide in case you encounter any problem. You can view it and know where you are getting it wrong and make your corrections. Right? Can you see that how to upload the scripts? Okay. Okay. So that is it about the installation guide. But we are not seeing .env file here, so I'm click on select setting. If you are not seeing the .env file, click on settings, home directory and show hidden files, then you can now click on save. Can you see that the .env file have now appeared inside our public underscore html, right? So we are going to click to edit. right? So the next thing you have to do now is go and create a database name. So I'm going to come and create a database name. I'll look for database wizard here in my cpanel. You look for database wizard here in your cpanel. Awesome. Can you see that? Can you see it here, guys? So I'll click on database wizard. Then I'm going to choose a name for my database. I can name it anything, but I usually name it DB so that I will not get confused, right? So this is the database name. I'll click on next step. This we are told to create a database users. So what I normally use is users as well, so that it will not confuse me, right? Password. So I'll click on password generator. Then copy this password here and keep it safe. You can keep it inside your notes, right? Then after that, click on I have copied this password. You can now go to my .env file here and paste the password. Can you see that database password? I'll paste it here. Please make sure you do not make a mistake or leave any space here. If not, you are not going to get the same result with me. Okay, guys? So I'll come back here, click on I have copied this password in a safe place, then click on use password. Please make sure you keep all these things safe because you need it. Then I'll click on create user. Awesome, guys. Can you see that it have already created a database username and a database name for us? So I'm going to copy this username. Please do not copy the space. Thank you. I'll come here. I'll look for database username, look at it here, and I will just replace it with the one I copied. I just created, right? Then I'll come back here. I'll click on database name. I'll copy it as well. Sorry. I'll copy it as well. Then I'll come back to my .env file and I'm going to paste the database name here, right? Awesome. Then the next thing to do is to paste your website URL name here. Okay, so I'll go here, I'll copy my website URL and I will replace it with the one that is here. Okay, I'll click on paste. Can you see that? So we can now go ahead and click on save changes. Okay, so when you come back here, you can click on all privileges, select the box all privileges, scroll down here and click on next step. Awesome, we have successfully created a database name and database username. Okay, so next thing to do is go back to your cpanel, right? Go back to your cpanel, look for phpMyAdmin. You can use the search option or you can search it anyhow. Click on phpMyAdmin over here. If you look at the left top here, you will see the database name that we created. Click on it. Sorry, my network is slow, but it's going to load. As you can see, it's showing loading, right? So you need to be patient. As a web designer, you need to be patient. We'll wait for it to load before we can continue, right? So while we wait for it to load, let's go back to my file manager and copy our SQL file. Don't worry, I'm going to give you access to both files, right? I'll give you access to the web script. I'll also give you access to the SQL file, right? So we'll go back to our file manager here, look for SQL folder. Can you see that here? Then I'll click on it, look at the SQL here, then I'll right click and click on download here. So it's going to download for me. Then let's go back to the phpMyAdmin. Okay, it's still loading. Awesome, guys. Can you see that? So we'll click on import here to import our SQL file in the database that we just created. Then I'll scroll down and click on choose file. So I'm going to choose that file, the database that I just downloaded right now, the SQL file, right? I'll click on it here, look at it. I'll click on open. Then I'll scroll down here and click on import. Okay, guys. So we're going to wait for you to finish uploading, right? Awesome. Import has been successfully finished. Okay, guys, can you see that? You can refresh if you want, or just click on this DB name. Awesome, guys. Awesome. This is beautiful, guys. So I can now come back to my website here and refresh. Awesome, guys. Can you see that in a space of 30 minutes, you are able to design this beautiful celebrity website? Okay, so if you need access to this script, chat me. I'm going to leave my number in the description below this video, so you can go there and get my number, right? And chat me on WhatsApp, and I'm going to give you access to both files, guys. All right, have a nice day, guys. See you soon.